Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss chemical calculations. In chemical calculations, we will discuss mole mass calculation, mole mass calculation, and mole particle calculation. Now, today we are going to focus on this one, mole mass calculation, and we have the formulas to convert mole to mass and mass to mole. Later we will discuss it, how we are converted. Now today we are focusing to find out the mass of 1 mole of an element and one thing more, the 1 mole mass is also called molar mass of that element. Let's suppose if an element is a metal, if element is metal, then its mass. And for example, if element exists as a molecule, then now if element is metal, then its mass would be gram atomic mass. And if an element is molecule, then gram molecular mass. We will say it's a gram molecular mass, and both of them would be expressed in gram. Either the mass of metal, either the mass of a molecule would be expressed in a gram, because gram is a standard unit as a unit of mass for measuring mass, and we will express them in grams. Now we are going on to the examples, then how we are find out the 1 mole mass. And the 1 mole mass of an element is also called molar mass of that element. Now we are going to its example, and we will see how we are able to find the 1 mole mass of an element. So first, suppose we have metal sodium. Now 1 mole of sodium, its atomic mass number is 23 gram. Now second one, if we have nitrogen exists as a molecule, so 1 mole of nitrogen, now 2 multiplied by 14, it would be equal to 28 gram. Now we have the molecule sucrose like C6. Now third example we are taking like molecule sucrose C12H22O11. Now firstly what we will do, we will separate the atoms carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. It's a molecule. Now 12 multiplied by 12 plus 1 mole, it's also the 1 mole mass. There is no need to write again and again 1 mole mass of this molecule. Then 1 multiplied by 22 plus 16 multiplied by 11, then 144 plus 22, then plus 176, and we will add them, and it would be 342 gram. Now the self assessment, same we have the self assessment of now you can see for the self assessment exercise 1.8, calculate the mass of 1 mole of copper is Cu, so mass of 1 mole copper is 64 gram. We will see the atomic mass number from the periodic table. Now I2, iodine I2, so how we will find out? 2 multiplied by 127 is 127 is the atomic mass number, and it exists as a molecule, so I2 2 multiplied by 127. Now potassium K is a symbol K, so K atomic mass number of potassium is 39, so 1 mole mass of potassium is 39. Then oxygen is also the O2, 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 32 grams. So in this way we will solve the self assessment exercise 1.8. Hope so you have able to understood it.